Hi, I am Abhiram. Today we are I am going to discuss about truck platooning. So, what is platooning? In transportation, platooning or flocking can be defined as a method for driving a group of vehicles together. And what is truck platooning? Truck platooning is the linking of two or more trucks in a convoy using connectivity technology and automated driving support systems. These vehicles automatically maintain and set close distance between each other when they are connected for certain parts of a journey, for instance on motorways. The trucks at the head of the platoon act as a leader, with the vehicle behind reacting and adapting the changes in its movement, requiring little to no action from drivers. In the first instance, drivers will remain in control at all times, so they can also decide to leave the platoon and drive independently. So in truck platooning, there will be a lead vehicle. The all other vehicles are known as trailing vehicles. In the lead vehicles, there will be a driver. These trailing vehicles will follow the movement of lead vehicles. The lead vehicle will communicate with the trailing vehicles with wireless communication system. If the distance between these trailing vehicles and lead vehicles are already set, and they will always maintain the distance between the lead vehicle and trailing vehicles. If the lead vehicle brake, these trailing vehicles also brake, and if this deviates from the line, changes the line, the also trailing vehicle will also change the line. There are two cases. One is in every vehicle there will be a driver. So if one vehicle want to move away from the platoon, it can move away from the platoon. In another situation, there will be only one driver. It will be in the lead vehicle. All the trailing vehicles will follow the lead vehicle. So only this one driver will control all these three vehicles. That is this one driver and with multiple trucks. Driver in the first container truck leading three driverless trucks. That is a method. Lead vehicle linked to the platoon via wireless communication. All these vehicles are connected by wireless communication. There will be a certain distance in between them. They will always maintain this distance. If the vehicle brake, it will also brake. It will communicate through the communication channel, and the brake will apply automatically. The vehicle integration will be for the truck platooning. There should be camera. There will be a front camera and 360 around view camera will be there. Another one is front and rear radar systems for finding the distances and any objects are there in the way. Another one is controller, then HMI. There will be a GPS system for tracking and finding the roads. The important one is V2X. V2X is vehicle to any communication. It is advanced communication system. So there should be advanced technology in a V2X communication system. Through this channel, they will communicate between the vehicles. What are the benefits of platooning? Truck platooning holds great potential to make road transport safer, cleaner, and more efficient in the future. That's why truck manufacturers are eager to bring these platoons to Europe roads, and the first railway test is already underway. So this is an upcoming technology, and somewhat it is already testing is going on. So what are the benefits of truck platooning? First one is clean. Truck platooning lowers fuel consumption and CO2 emission. Given that truck can drive closer together, the air drag friction is reduced significantly. If the vehicles are driving too closely, the air drag between vehicles, air drag acting on the vehicles can be reduced. The studies show that the front vehicle, the trailing vehicles have reduced CO2 emission by 60%, and the front vehicle can be reduced by 8%. Another one is safe. We know that these are communication going through via wireless communication channel, so the braking can be more effective. It shows that the vehicle only need 1/5 of the time a human would need to react for braking. So that much fast the braking will be, so the vehicle will be more safe. Then is efficient. Platooning optimizes transport by using road more effectively, driving goods faster and reducing traffic jams. The driving range of vehicle can be also be extended certain situations. Next one is to allow drivers to undertake other tasks such as administrative work and making calls. We know that there is no much work for drivers in the track platooning. They are only in control of the vehicle when there is an emergency situation. So in in those long trips, the drivers can act as an administrative work, and they can make calls, and the efficiency of the human work can be increased. Then there are also some disadvantages there. What are the disadvantages? Are some systems have failed in traffic as they have been hacked by remote computers, creating hazardous situation. We know that these vehicles are communicating via wireless communication systems, so the security of the communication system is very important. If someone hacks the communication system, it will go in for a tragedy. So the hacking of the communication, there will be a chance of hacking, so the protection of the communication should be high. Next one is drivers would feel less in control of their own driving, being at the hands of a computer software or the lead driver. Another disadvantage is driver may be less attentive than usual, and they may not be able to react as quickly to adverse situations if the software or hardware were to fail. These are the potential disadvantages. Even though there is some disadvantages, truck platooning is coming in the future as a future of goods transportation, because this will increase the efficiency and also reduce the cost for transportation. That's all. Thank you.